So this would be the Ghostmount, you guys. It is insane. Ghostmount versus, hey, my OG setup here, tried and true triple suction cup mount. What's going on today, you guys? Today we're comparing two very cool mounts for your 360 cameras or Insta360. If you guys know me and the channel, we have been rocking this setup for many years on a black Mustang and whatnot. And this is my to-go-to. You guys already know this triple suction cup mount. It's been proven. It works great. We're going to be comparing my OG setup, my tried and true setup right here, comparing to the Ghostmount, which is right here. And this takes it to like a whole nother step, whole nother level. So it's a single stick. It's fairly long. This one is, I forget how long this one actually is. I could measure it, but I think it's like 50 some inches. A solid stick carbon fiber. So very light, will not flex, or, you know, very minimal flex. And then it's also got some side supports for the side to side action. So up and down, it's going to be great and solid. And side to side, it's going to be very solid. So this, in theory, is going to be a very superior mount. And yeah, I don't know. Some people may like it, some people may not. We're just going to do a quick comparison going over bumps and stability and whatnot. There's no doubt in my mind that this stick is going to hold up very well. Comparing to this stick, the OG setup, we know these are kind of bouncy, right? My videos are kind of bouncy. It does bounce. I'm not going to lie about it. But we've really mitigated all that with a better stick and not fully extending your sections, right? Once you fully extend your sections, they become kind of weak. So I like to leave about 1.5 inches, 2 inches in each section. So having a longer stick is actually very beneficial. And the ones you buy from Insta360, garbage. Probably won't do anything crazy, but we're just gonna go down a bumpy road and just compare the video. So let's go. For $100 or so, sometimes you can find these for $50 on Amazon. You never know when there's sales, but for $100, I think it's a great mount to start up. So to start on, these sticks are about 20 to $30. Sometimes you can find them $15. That's the budget-friendly triple suction cup mount that I've been using forever. Obviously, you can get creative with this stick and brace it even more. You could put a brace here for support. That's what some brands do. You could actually add some side supports to here to keep it from side to side action, which I've done for drifting, you know, and ultimately you get something like this from Ghostmount, right? One solid stick is what we like, and side supports from the side to side action. So let's give this one a try. So this would be the Ghostmount, you guys. It is insane. So for this model right here, these side arms do extend. Some don't and some do, but pretty easy to do. Just rotate these counterclockwise, make a little popping, clicking noise, and then you can go up, you can go down, you can get crazy with this. It's really nice. And then this main suction cup holding the big stick is just, it can only go up and down. It's really nice for adjustability here, all sorts of angle. But overall, for what I like to do, I like to set the GoPro about about yay high, just right above the roof. So when you're ready to go, you set it up just like so, and then you just rotate these clockwise, and then it'll be like click, and then it should stick. Overall construction, obviously this is very, very nice. It is pricey, but it is well worth the money. This is the mount to get if you're just wanting to go to the next level, just want something top notch, superior. This is it. Why I didn't do it, because obviously I like doing my own stuff, and it worked for what I needed. But this is next level, game changing stuff. Single solid stick is definitely really what's needed for as far as wobbliness and camera stabilization. These cameras do pretty good, but this having a solid stick is definitely what's needed. And side support's really great. So if you're doing drifting, time attack, any sort of turns, definitely gonna need the side-to-side support also. So pretty basic setup here. I think they're both pretty basic to set up. As long as you can figure out how to get your suction cups down, you're good to go. They both work great. They do great things. Really budget level, entry level setup here. Definitely get a good stick. I highly recommend like more of the aluminum sticks for this. They're still fairly light, and don't extend the section completely. Keep it in a little bit. Other than that, it does great job. It's not gonna fall down, but you are gonna go side to side. So there's when you want some side support. So if you saw my drifting videos, I do add some side supports. I had one, so the stick couldn't go side to side, and definitely it's not gonna go down. So, there are many, many ways to do this, go about it. These things are all pretty much plug and play. These ball and sockets, pretty much all plug and play. These rings, all plug and play. They work great, you guys. I've been doing this for many, many years. It's nice to see innovation come a long ways, and this is it. A lot of different companies coming out with their own triple suction cup mount, some sort of camera rig setup to attach your GoPro or Insta360 action cameras, you name it. But so hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. Ghostmount, top of the top versus, hey, my OG setup here, tried and true triple suction cup mount. A lot of people run this setup here. You can't go wrong with this setup. I've been using this forever, but if you're looking to upgrade, get to that next level, man, you can't go wrong Ghostmount either. They've taken all the ideas, they've taken all of it, and just boom, you get something like this. I will say one thing that's negative about Ghostmount, all right? To put a 5-foot stick in a car, hey, it might be kind of challenging for some people's cars. I get it. In the Mustang, it looks kind of funny, but that's all right. It fits, and this is one solid mount. This is really, really great. You can't go wrong with this setup. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, both links will be in the description. Link down below. Hey, use code 651MyGarage for this Ghostmount here, or Amazon for this triple suction cup mount. And like I said, you guys are starting out, this is not bad. But if you just go next level, man, this is it. So peace out.